Uh-oh.
What you see is what you get. In this challenge, 2 volunteers will begin a dish using only 6 ingredients for 3 minutes. These ingredients will be chosen by 6 volunteers from a selection of 18 possible ingredients. Robert will have no knowledge of the ingredients chosen by the audience. Robert will have to risk this highly possible culinary disaster to create a dish that doesn't sell. Robert will have 15 minutes to complete this challenge. This challenge requires 8 volunteers.
All right, I need 2 volunteers. Lights up, please. Lights up.
Hey. I don't know about you.
Where are you?
How can you see without lights on?
Where are you? It's bananas, Oreo cookies. And in 45 seconds, we are going to unleash the beast, ladies. We are going to unleash the beast, and he's not going to be happy. 40 seconds. Ladies, I'm going to warn you, in 20 seconds, we're going to take the headphones off Chef Irvine. We are going to stop the music, and Chef Irvine will have to finish this dish. Put the whole banana in there. Why not? Who gives it? 10. Count it down, folks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, Chef Irvine. Brian? I got some bad news.
What are you doing?
Clock is running. You've got 11 minutes and 45 seconds to fix that. Enjoy.
What's that?
What's that, you ask? Chef, they started with bananas. They started with limes, strawberries, and Chef, all you need to do is take that wonderful dish, integrate it with Spam, integrate it with bananas, integrate it with Lucky Charms, and a lobster.
You? Did you make it?
Where'd the other go?
She left. Where did she? She actually got off the stage. She says, I'm getting the hell out of here. Chef, you got 11 minutes to fix this.
What is your name?
Michelle?
You should be ashamed of yourself. So I've got, what is this? Bananas, fruit, Oreos? Yes? That's. So we've got that in there. We've got that in there.
This in there.
All right. So I've got to use these.
She's here. Sorry.
You should be sorry. No.
Chef, are you worried about this?
Listen. I've done 100 and something episodes of DI, and Robert Irvine. I've got Restaurant Impossible, World's Coast America, CSI New York, Saturday Night Live. I didn't do that, by the way. But anyway, so get moving. Move,
So you're not
move,
scared by this? You're not threatened by this?
Move.
No?
No.
He doesn't care. Oh, Chef Irvine, we gotta go to the big screen. Look at late breaking news.
For this
It's an
challenge,
update.
Robert can use only 1 burner.
Uh-oh. Chef, you can only use 1 burner.
Oh, come on.
Do you, 1 burner. Do you have anything else we can throw in here?
Are you kidding me? Why? Look, you've got bananas and
Wait.
bananas, Oreo, and
You
some
wanna do this?
stupid
Really?
barbecue sauce. These things that who eats
Hey.
this? You?
You can, honestly, you can add this. He's going to be so pissed if you add this.
Take them home. Disgusting. It's full of sugar.
All right, Chef, we got an update. This will now be made into a surf and turf. And you can only use 1 burner. You can only use 1 of the proteins in that burner.
Shut up.
Chef, I'm going to let you know right now. You cannot cook the steak in this burner. Only 1 protein.
Move.
What are you doing?
This is ridiculous, and whoever came out with this should be fired. And by the way, you probably will be by tomorrow. Where's the top?
Protein.
Move.
What are you doing?
This is ridiculous, and whoever came out with this should be fired. And by the way, you probably will be by tomorrow. Where's the top? Oh. Whoop! It's hot. I don't need you 90 seconds, buddy. I got a dinner surf and turf right there.
He kind of spare. Wow, let's go ahead and take a look at that.
Unplug that. That was pretty funny. I gotta tell you, I'm very excited right now. Two waters, please. Right. I know. What is your name again? Jennifer. So when are you getting married?
I'm getting married next week.
Next week. Congratulations.
All right.
Do you like surf and turf? Obviously you have a sense of adventure. Right? And I want an honest opinion. I don't want, whatever you want to say, you'll say. Sit. Thanks. All right, lobster surf and turf with spam. A little onion, some mushrooms, some avocado. Now remember, the steak was cooked on a light that we use, kind of one of these things, 220 degrees. Thanks, guys. Some spam. I've got steak. I need some lobster there, right? That's what I need. And the sauce on the bottom is a little sriracha, banana, peanut butter, Oreos, Jif, strawberries. All right. All right. Blow.
That ain't told recipe, huh?
It's hot. Hold your thoughts. Hold your thoughts. Some agua, or whatever we call it here. I think we call it water, right? Water, right? Come over here. What's your name again? Stephen. Stephen. All right. Unaccustomed as I am to feeding men, you are going to be the token man I feed today. And you the lucky one, or not. You want a train, you want a plane, you want a bomber, or a fighter? I like the plane. You like the plane. Get on your hands and knees and go, the plane. All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hold your thought. Ladies, come over here. Knife and fork. Tell honestly, what does it taste like?
Actually, it was pretty delicious. It tasted like a crunchy lobster, and then it had a little bit of a peanut butter taste to it. It was actually delicious.
Good.
Wow, how about that?
Okay.
Good thoughts?
The lobster had an oriental Thai taste, and the steak was perfectly salted.
Wow.
So it tasted good enough.
Very good.
All right, hang on. Let's go over to my nemesis over here. What do you think?
It's delicious. Despite this nasty sauce. Very interesting taste.
All right. Well,
I think we screwed it up with the sauce.
I think the sauce goes really well. I think the
sauce
sauce
came
goes
around
really
at the
well.
end.
It just goes to show you, no matter what experience you have, no matter what garbage you put in, how did they get away with this? I just don't know. No matter what garbage you put in, you can always make something that is fun and exciting if you have no clue what to do. And you don't have equipment, right? So no matter what you think you've messed up, there's always a redeeming quality. It's called put more stuff in and hope for the best.
Give it up for our volunteers, everybody.